Viewers, the latest news about Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force clashes is that viewers, in many previous videos I had informed you that the fight between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force is intensifying day by day in many areas of Tigray region. Viewers, the Tigray Defense Force has expressed many of its victories in this war. And on the other hand, it was also claimed by Ethiopian National Defense Force that during the fighting they had taken possession of Tigray Defense Force trucks and weapons. While today a statement has been made by Tigray Defense Force in which they has once again described his latest victories in the war with Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, according to Tigray Defense Force statement, reports that Tigray army inflicting serious reserves on the Ethiopian military in what Tigray Defense Force calls Operation Alula, and large numbers of Ethiopian National Defense Force reported killed or captured, and including senior officers. Our sources suggested as many as 15,000 troops put out of action, and to be confirmed, one brigade from the 21st Division and two brigades from the 32nd Division of the Eritrean Defense Force have been completely destroyed by Tigray Defense Force. With further, commanders, senior logistics and other staff members of 31st and 11th Divisions have been killed and captured in the operation. And more today, according to Tigray Defense Force, in the operation thousands have been killed and injured, and our 1,300 Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers were captured. But so far, no statement received from Ethiopian National Defense Force or Ethiopian government about the Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force war. Because many times I inform you that in this war, thousands of Eritrean Defense Force soldiers are present in Tigray region, and the fighting along the side of Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force. And Amhara's forces also fighting against Tigray Defense Force in Tigray region. And more few days ago, it is being said that from many news sources, thousands of Somali soldiers who were receiving training in Eritrea, they are also deployed in Tigray region and fighting along the side of Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force in Tigray region. So viewers, so far this is the latest update about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.